Handling null values is like making sure there are no missing puzzle pieces in a picture. If we ignore them, the final result looks incomplete. Luckily, DataStage provides several tools to tackle these invisible troublemakers. From identifying nulls to replacing them smartly, mastering these techniques ensures our data is strong and reliable. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Nulls are like mysterious blanks in a book. You know something should be there, but it just isn't. They pop up due to database inconsistencies or missing data, and if left unchecked, they can cause serious miscalculations. Handling them correctly keeps our data meaningful, just like ensuring every chapter in a book makes sense. Null values can be sneaky troublemakers in data processing. Imagine running a report and suddenly realizing your totals don't add up. Guess what? Nulls might be playing tricks. They mess with aggregations, joins, and queries, leading to unexpected outcomes. That's why having proper handling techniques is vital to keep everything in check. DataStage offers an arsenal of functions for handling null values, each designed for a different scenario. Choosing the right one is like selecting the best tool in a toolbox. Using these functions correctly ensures data accuracy and keeps unexpected surprises at bay. Let's explore these powerful helpers. Think of the IsNull function as a detective. It scans your data and calls out any missing values. If a value is null, it returns true, just like spotting an empty chair in a crowded room. This function is handy for filtering out incomplete data and ensuring only reliable information moves forward. The IsNotNull function is like a quality checker, filtering out only the valuable data. If you don't want empty fields disrupting your analysis, this function ensures only meaningful records make the cut. It's like choosing guests for an exclusive party, only those who add value get in. Null to empty function is your lifesaver when dealing with text-based data. Instead of leaving awkward gaps, it replaces nulls with empty strings, ensuring smooth processing. It's like swapping an awkward silence with a friendly nod, small but effective. A transformer stage gives us full control over null values. Whether replacing, filtering, or processing them intelligently, this tool helps clean our data seamlessly. Think of it like a traffic signal, directing the right data where it needs to go without confusion. The default values are the safety net for null columns. Instead of leaving gaps, they provide meaningful substitutes to keep things readable and useful. It's like filling in blanks with logical guesses so that everything stays structured and clear. Null values can cause all sorts of chaos if left unchecked. Imagine making a cup of coffee and forgetting to add water. Disastrous, right? That's how bad data pipelines feel without proper null handling. The first step is spotting these elusive troublemakers early. Then use default values wisely to keep things flowing smoothly. Don't let bad data sneak in, filter aggressively. And remember, a resilient data pipeline is one that's ready for surprises. Think of constraints like seat belts for your data, essential safety measures. Setting up strict database rules ensures that null values don't slip through the cracks. Schemas should be well-defined to demand completeness. Application-side validation is another layer of defense against rogue null values. And don't forget, enforcing checks throughout the data lifecycle keeps your system healthy and efficient. Aggregating data with nulls is like trying to bake cookies without flour. It just doesn't work. Missing values can skew calculations, so recognizing their impact is step one. A conditional aggregation techniques can help keep things in check. When needed, default values ensure meaningful results. And don't forget, databases have built-in tricks to handle nulls efficiently, use them wisely. A conditional logic is your best friend when dealing with nulls. It's like having a GPS when you're lost. If-else conditions help direct data in the right path, while SQL's case statements provide precise control over outcomes. Always have fallback values ready, just in case data decides to go missing. With smart programming techniques, you can ensure a smooth, error-free experience. Null handling isn't just a one-time fix. It's an ongoing practice like flossing your teeth. Validate data early so you don't deal with surprises later. Designing systems with missing values in mind makes life easier down the road. A standardization ensures consistency, keeping your data pipeline efficient. And monitorings. Think of it as regular health checkups for your data. Mistakes in null handling are like potholes on a smooth road. They can cause serious damage. Ignoring nulls in key calculations leads to unreliable results. Inconsistent methods create confusion across datasets. Failing to test how systems react to missing values is a recipe for disaster. And remember, simple solutions often work best. Don't turn null handling into rocket science. Null values are inevitable, but handling them well is the key to data success. Filters and constraints keep things neat. Smart conditional logic and aggregation prevent unwanted surprises. Stick to best practices and your data will stay reliable. Remember, good data hygiene is just as important as washing your hands, so keep your pipeline clean. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.